Find the least common multiple of 20 and 45. Multiples are a number times another number. So multiples of 20, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And I'm just going ahead and multiplying times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5. Or you could consider it repeatedly adding 20 each time. Okay, now let's do multiples of 45. We have 45, and then 90, and then 135, and then 180, and then 225. Nothing in common yet. I have to keep going with the 20 here up top. 160, 180. Oh, there's finally a common multiple, 180 and 180. And that's the least common multiple because it's the first time they both have a multiple in common. So your least common multiple is 180. Now there's another way to do this using prime factorization in a Venn diagram where you don't have to list all the multiples. So I'll do the prime factorization of both 20 and 45, then show you how the Venn diagram works. So 20 is 4 times 5, and 4 is 2 times 2. So there are prime factors, 2, 2, and 5. 45 is 9 times 5, and the 9 is 3 times 3, so we have 3, 3, 5. So let's do our Venn diagram. Here's the 20, here's the 45. So numbers in common, it looks like there's a 5 in common for both, and that's it. So the 20 has a 2, 2 that it doesn't share, so 2 times 2. And then 45 has a 3 and a 3. So for our least common multiple, we take all the prime factors that are shown here and multiply together. So it's 2 times 5 times 3 times 3. Now if we multiply all those together, that'll give us the least common multiple. Well, let's try it out. 2 times 2 is 4. And then 4 times 5 is 20. Then times 3 times 3. 20 times 3 is 60 times 3. And 60 times 3 is 180. So it's the same as this 180 here found by listing the multiples. So you can list the multiples like this I showed you first, or you can use a Venn diagram and then use all the factors shown in the Venn diagram when you're done, and that makes the least common multiple.